Hello again, this is Mr. E, your STEM OG, and today we're going to continue with projects with touchpad and buttons. In our previous lesson, we learned how to use the if-else block to make some decisions using the touchpad and push button blocks. In this lesson, we'll learn how to connect a 6-volt relay and DC motor, creating a fan for our TokyMaker, and use our touchpad and buttons to turn the fan on and off. And we'll be able to use the same circuit and coding to control a water pump in future lessons. And remember, when we connect our TokyMaker, we need Google Chrome for our IDE to work. If you're in China, you can go to google.cn/Chrome to get that. Let's get started. All right, so what you need your TokyMaker, DC motor with the fan blade, 6-volt relay, 3 male to female wires, and 1 male to male wire. Going to connect the relay to output 5. So we need to turn this over on the back side. We have 5 on top and 4 on the bottom here. It's our male to female. Make sure you make the right connections, negative VCC. Now we're going to connect the ground on the motor to output 4 ground. Then we're going to connect the relay VCC to output 4 VCC, or the plus. See that? Then we're going to connect the motor VCC to the relay VCC. Go ahead and screw that in. And that's it. Let me show you a little closer look so you can see, but the wiring is pretty simple. Take a closer look. Looks good. Let's start our code. So again, this code is very similar, almost the same as the code we used in the previous lesson. But let's go ahead and connect to power. Power up by TokyMaker. And then we'll start our code. We're going to start with our repeat block and the if block. If we press 1, we're going to turn the fan on, and if we press 2, we're going to turn the fan off. Now you can do the same thing with the buttons, but we're not going to use those right now. I'll put them aside, but it will work the same way. All right, pull our touchpad blocks down. And we need to add one more condition. We're going to add an else if to our if statement. Just drag it over. Hit that little wheel and it goes away. All right, so if 1, we're going to do something, and then else, we're going to do something else if we click on touchpad 2. What are we going to do? We're going to set output 5 to high. When we click on 1, and we'll set output 5 low if we click on 2. And we'll put a little wait block under each set output. All right, let's go ahead and connect the TokyMaker. Wait for that to turn light blue. Then we'll run our code. All right, go ahead and push that button, and there you have it. Fan is on. Switch 2, fan is off. Great job. Pretty straightforward. A lot of good uses for that. And again, we can work a water pump with this same circuit and same code. Versatility, ease of TokyMaker. All right, Mr. E, your STEM OG, continue to think big, start small.